How to disable YouTube app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable YouTube app on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you simply have to scroll down and tap on apps. Now here just select manage apps, and now here on the next page you'll see the list of all the apps that are currently installed on your device. Now here you can just tap on the search bar at the top, and from there you can simply type in YouTube and search for it, and here on the search result you can just tap on YouTube. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on disable option, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here you can confirm your action by tapping on disable app again. And that's it. That's how you can disable YouTube app on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.